Now let's discuss some of the advantages and disadvantages of globe. Dear students, just now we have discussed that the earth is round in shape and globe is the way to study about the earth. It is the model of the earth. So we can say that it is the best way to see how our earth looks like. As we know that we can't study the earth like this, so globe is the accurate way or the best way to see how our earth looks like. As we all cannot see the real earth, but we can see the globe, and it is the best way to see how our earth looks like. Now the second advantage, it helps us to show the correct shape and location of continents and oceans. As we have discussed right now that continents and oceans are located on the globe. So we can see the size of the shape of the continents, we can see the shape of the oceans, and where these continents and oceans are located on earth, we can easily see them on globe, as globe is the accurate representation of our earth. So it shows the correct shape and location of the continents and oceans. Right? It shows the correct shape. What is the shape of the continent? Particular continent is there, and where that particular continent is located, that we all can see on globe. Now the third one, it helps to locate the nearby countries to our country. Nearby countries means the neighboring countries. Which are the neighboring countries of India? We can easily locate them on the globe. If I want to know the neighboring countries of India, then we can easily do so. So these are some advantages of globe. Now let's have a look on some disadvantages. Globes are difficult to carry, as globe is quite big in size than map, so we can't take globe from one place to another easily because it is quite big in size. As we know that maps can be rolled, it can be folded and can be kept in a book or a folder, but we cannot keep the globes everywhere we want to. We cannot keep the globe anywhere we want to. So globe is difficult to carry. Second disadvantage, it cannot show the greater details of a smaller place. Though we know that we can see continents and oceans on globe, and countries also in those continents we can see. We can see the countries, we can see the continents and the oceans. But we cannot get the details of a smaller town or a city. Suppose if I want to see our country India on globe, so I can see that. But what are the towns and cities and different states are there in India? We can't do that. It is not possible to see the states of India, to see the towns and cities of India on globe. We can see only the continents, oceans and the countries. Now the third disadvantage is we can see only half of the globe at a time. As you can see here that we can see only half of the globe at a time. Right? See the picture of globe, that we can see only this part of the globe. We can't see the other part of the earth, that is of the globe, that is on the other side. So to see the other half, we have to turn it around. We can see only half of the globe at a time. But to see the other side of the globe, we have to turn it around. We cannot see the full globe at a time. So these are some advantages and disadvantages of globe.